we are at the Sizzlers in Van Nuys with the Prosperity Through Real Estate. I'm Amy, and this is Lois. We're the ladies at JusticeLeague.com. So this is Mr. Steve Love. Can you tell us about this meeting?
Hello, my name is Steve Love, and we started Prosperity Through Real Estate, our REIA meeting, about 20 years ago. Every month we have one of the best speakers on the planet, and make sure we only have the best trainers on the planet in the field of real estate investing. I think about 7-8 years ago, since I live up here in the San Fernando Valley, our main meeting, by the way, is down by the airport, because that's where the trainers tend to fly in and out, and it's very centrally located. We get people from as far away as San Diego and Orange County and stuff. But also, I live up here in the San Fernando Valley, so about 7-8 years ago I thought, I gotta eat, let's start having a luncheon where I can eat, and we can also talk about real estate. So we started this about 7-8 years ago here at the Sizzler in Van Nuys. We meet every Wednesday. When I say every Wednesday, I mean every Wednesday. One year we met on Christmas Day, there we're open. Another year we met on 4th of July. So we are here every single Wednesday. And why should you come? You should come to network. It's not just what you know, but it's who you know. And we have a good group here. We usually have over 30 people, and everything you need is in this room. If you need deals, if you need loans, if you need contractors, if you need painters, if you need signing agents, of course, if you need legal help, then you talk to
And then how do they find out more about this? Do you have a website or contact?
Yeah, prosperitythroughrealestate.com, and we want everyone to come. If you have a product or service or are interested in real estate, whether you're brand new or you're an old pro, there's something here for everybody. So just come.
Yep, and we agree. We as real estate investors love this place because it's a great networking. It's a little bit more intimate, yet you get to learn and network with a lot of people. So thank you, Mr. Love, for your information, and we look forward to more people coming to this event.
Great. Thank you, Amy and Love.